Hello, welcome my dear teachers. In today's session, we will share 5 strategies that you must keep in your mind while you are planning for a curriculum. So hi, welcome for the Teacher Development and Career Enhancement series, and I am Dr. Rajni Rao, your friend and coach. And in today's session, we will in detail discuss about what is a curriculum, the 3 curriculum components, supporting classroom environment, assessments and evaluations. So please make a note. First one is, what is a curriculum? Basically the syllabus. What is the syllabus that you will be covering when you choose your subjects? So having your subjects done, what is the syllabus that you want to cover and how much? For example, in junior KG, do you want to introduce table, whether it is table 1 or you don't want to introduce, you want to introduce both the tables. So like this, how much you introduce makes your syllabus. Number 2 is how you are going to teach this. That means the pedagogy that you will be implementing, which covers what are the methodologies that you are using, what are the teaching aids, learning materials, the activity materials through which you will teach the core syllabus. Number 3 is the timeline. That means how you are teaching the entire syllabus. This makes your annual development plan. So when you have your annual development plan, now you will have to break this into half yearly, quarterly plan, monthly plan, weekly plan and finally daily plan. And for this daily plan, you must make your own lesson plan on how you are going to implement these topics today in your classroom. So this is a base idea of what is curriculum, and the next one is, what are the curriculum concepts or the components? Well, we have 3 basic components. The first one is main or core curricular components. Number 2 is extracurricular components, and number 3 is co-curricular components, or we can make number 2 as co-curricular and number 3 as extracurricular. So what is the core curricular or the main curricular component? That is the subjects you are choosing to teach in your school or classroom. It can be literacy, it can be numeracy, it can be environment science. Quietly, these are very common. And to this, do you want to add one more language? Do you want to teach digital literacy, financial literacy, or little bit of computer science, or whatever you want to add as core subjects make your main curriculum elements. Next comes co-curricular. That means the activities that will enhance the learning of the core curricular topics. These are songs, rhymes, stories, conversation, quiz, and all the activities that you do like art and craft, drawing, coloring, everything that you do, games, is a part of your co-curricular activities. And then comes the extracurricular activities. That means the activities that you can do for the overall development of the child, more than academics, for the holistic development of the child. This includes sports, this includes yoga, the field trips, the outdoor activities, and all the celebrations that we do, all types of celebration, whether it is annual day, sports day, religious celebration, national celebration, everything that helps in the overall development of the child makes the extracurricular activities. And finally, thirdly, let us now discuss about the supporting classroom environment. Your classroom should match the curriculum that you are teaching, especially when you break it into monthly plans. So this month, for example, we have vegetables. Then what do you have on the notice board? What do you have in the display corner? What do you have on the word wall? What do you have in the concept corners? So you must be prepared with all these themes for your classroom environment. And finally, the 4th and 5th is assessments and evaluation. For now, I will just tell you that you should have a comprehensive assessment practice and rubric evaluation methods. I will give you a detailed tutorial on evaluation and assessments in coming days. But for now, hope you have gained a lot of insights on what is curriculum, how you can plan it, what are the components, how you can keep your classroom environment in today's series. And if you are finding this interesting, please share with a teacher who needs to know this, and don't forget to follow me and catch me in the next episode.